Now, costing for modular kitchen can cost you ranging from 1 lakh and above, which we will discuss later in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vashali. I'm an architect and interior designer, and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. Now in today's video I'm going to talk all about modular kitchens. Specifically I'm going to be talking about the costing for modular kitchen as per different materials and finishes. Also I'll take an example of 8 by 10 feet standard kitchen size and explain you the budget for that particular kitchen. So I hope you guys find this video informative and helpful, and if you want to see more such video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now it's very important for me to discuss the benefits of modular kitchen. It's basically the updated version of our traditional and conventional kitchen, and here I'll not only recommend you to get the modular kitchen done, but nowadays modular furniture is something which is being done for all spaces of your house. So everywhere people adapting modular furniture, modular kitchen. So why you should actually invest in modular kitchens? Let's just talk about the benefits. This is the best advantage of modular kitchen is its easy assembly. It is extremely easy to assemble because it comes in different parts, so you can assemble them together and create a particular design. And the best part is you can even carry your modular kitchen to some other place if you're shifting to a new house and assemble it there. Now second thing, repairing and replacement can be done for individual part of the modules. So it's very easy to assemble, easy to replace, easy to repair, and it's a hassle-free job. Everything is made in factory. You can easily customize designs according to the standard sizes and modules available. Modular furniture and modular kitchen also gives you a sufficient storage to store your things. Also there are different material and finishes available, so you can get whatever you want as per your design choices or as per the theme that you're going with. So we will talk about the material and finishes in detail now, and after that I will discuss about the budget of the modular kitchen as per the material and finishes. So make sure you stick till the end because I'm going to be giving a lot of information, detailed information. Now first of all, I'll start with the material. So first thing that I'm going to talk about is the core material. What are the core materials that are available for the carcass? And the carcass is the basic structure of your modules. So first core material which is available for kitchens is HDHMR, which is high density, high moisture resistant material. Now second is BWR, which is boiling water resistant. Third is BWP, which is boiling waterproof. Now this BWP is mainly used for the kitchen sinks, also the AquaGuard unit, GTPT tray unit. Now there are pre-laminated BWP, BWR and HDHMR available as well. So it totally depends which one you want to go with. Obviously there are some price differences. It varies with the prices. If you take HDHMR, then it will cost you a bit less. If you go with BWP and BWR, it will cost you a bit more. But both are good. Both are recommended for kitchens. Now I will talk about the material that can be for shutters. So there are three materials I will recommend you for the shutters. First one is MDF, which is medium density fiberboard. Second is HDHMR itself. Third is again BWR, which is boiling water resistant. You can use these three materials for the shutters. Now moving on, next thing that I'm going to talk about is the finishes of the shutters and everything else. Now first finish is obviously laminate finish. You can go with the laminate finish. सबसे कम costings का आता है वो laminate का आता है. Second is acrylic, which is comparatively more expensive and gives you premium look. Our third finish which is available for kitchen is membrane finish. This is again available in texture, glossy and matte. The only difference between acrylic and membrane is acrylic has edge banding, but membrane does not have edge banding. You'll not see that 90-degree joint in membrane. It is like very curved finishes. It does not give you the pointed edges. So that's the only difference between membrane and acrylic. So it depends on you. There are a lot of finishes available in the market, but it totally depends on your choice which one you want to go with and what is your budget. As per that you can select particular finish. Next finish that you get is the lacquered glass finish. It's more on the higher budget, but it definitely looks very classy and premium. Just for the above cabinets, I will not recommend you go with the bottom cabinets because bottom cabinets we use very frequently and there is a slight chance that you will break those. There is a possibility. So we never recommend lacquered glass for the bottom finishes. Also for wall cabinets, you can go for acrylic finish. Acrylic finishes looks very premium, and I personally genuinely feel that modular kitchens can be done in acrylic finish. If you have a slightly higher budget, then definitely go with BWR and BWP with acrylic finish. This was all about the finishes and material. Now moving on, I'll give you the pricing on the budget of individual finishes and materials so that you have an idea. This will be like a comparative. So first is laminate with HDHMR and laminate with BWR. Now we will discuss the price difference between acrylic with HDHMR and acrylic with BWR. Moving on, next I will talk about lacquered glass with HDHMR and lacquered glass with BWR. Last is membrane finish with HDHMR and membrane finish with BWR. So this sums up my entire video about modular kitchens, their prices, their finishes, materials available in the market. I hope it gave you enough knowledge. The whole point of making this video was to educate yourself about modular kitchens and how you can go about choosing a particular material and finish for the modular kitchen. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with somebody who is in need and who are getting the interiors done for their apartment. Also subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos related to interior designing, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well. That will give you the notification for my future uploads. And yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.